Hello friends, this is Groovy here for Yarcrypto.com, and I wanted to bring a quick video for you guys today to update you guys on the situation that we have on BTC right now, and following up as well on what we talked yesterday about BTC. So what happened is yesterday we had a little more downside for BTC, as you guys can see on this 4-hour chart here that I have. And what it allowed us to do is have a little more clear idea of what situation we are at right now on the price action in terms of pattern. Okay, so I did talk to you guys about this sort of falling wedge that we are at on BTC for our chart right now. And you could make the case for a downward channel as well on this chart here. I would argue that this is more of a falling wedge, but either way, both patterns, if they are true, they are more on the bullish side of things. Obviously, we have also the case for a bearish situation, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about that as well. But let's actually dive right into this chart here and see what's going on right now. So as you guys can see, we had this touch here yesterday, and we bounced from this area right here. Okay, and this area right here, if I draw a retracement from all the way back from this swing low right here, guys, on June 26th to the swing high on June 29th, you guys see that we bounced on the 786 fib line on this retracement here. Okay, we bounced exactly on that line. So this is the fib retracement reference for us on this support. But if we draw a diagonal support line on this area, we can actually have this clear downtrend here, as you guys can see, all the way back from this rounded bottom here. So this is very clear. Okay, and we also have our upper resistance line on the top here that we had 3 touches on as well. Okay, so this is very clearly a pattern. It's either a falling wedge or a falling channel, descending channel. So what is the target for this pattern, guys? That we were talking about for a few days now. If we're gonna talk about a falling wedge, the target is the top of the wedge. Okay, technically, and the top of the wedge would be all the way up at 36,600 range. And if we're talking about a bearish scenario, I would say the 28K is the most probable scenario for this to play out. Okay, and I do believe that since we bounced on this range here, we are gonna go all the way up to the top of the channel of the wedge once again, and potentially test that. And to contribute to that idea, we also have the 21 EMA right at the top of the channel of the wedge as well. So that's going to be a big test for us on this 21 EMA. And if we want to break out of this pattern to the upside, we gotta break and reclaim the 21 EMA as well, guys. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that we are gonna make this move either to the upside or to the downside pretty soon, because we already had a lot of touches here on this pattern here, and the time for a breakout of this is gonna arrive any day now. And if we're talking about probabilities, guys, it's hard to say, but since we already had 3 touches on the top here and almost a 4th one on this area, I could say that the 4th one, the 4th time we touch this is gonna be the breakout. Okay, since we had 3 touches on the bottom as well. Usually, speaking from experience, I see this happening a lot. We see 3 touches on one side, and three touches on the other, and the fourth touch is the breakout. But obviously, you guys, we gotta wait for confirmation. So a confirmation would be closing 4-hour candles above the 21 EMA on the daily, and especially one daily candle would be even better. All right. So if we can close the daily above this channel and above the 21 EMA on the daily time frame, this would be ideal. And we gotta test it as support as well to make sure it's not a fake out. Okay, guys? So be careful and trade this accordingly. Wait for the confirmation. But I do believe, guys, that we are gonna make some sort of move from this pattern here for sure. If we look at the volume as well, the volume is constantly decreasing on the pattern. This is usually a sign that the pattern is true as well. So yeah, guys, this was all that I had to talk to you guys today. Keep an eye on this. I'm gonna keep you updated as well. And if you want to see any more content, you can access yarcrypto.com. We also have our news website, yarcryptonews.com. And we also have our Discord community where we talk all about crypto related stuff. We do live TA every day, so we are constantly following this channel and trading this on the Discord channel. So if you want to learn about crypto and you want to talk with us, you can check it out, guys. It's gonna be in the description. So thank you so much for watching again, guys, and bye bye.